What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polkadot and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polkadot here, and as we can see, I mean, we're starting to get those real signs of life that we're looking for most cryptos, aren't we? We can see quite clearly on the chart that we have been forming this. The chart has been forming this, this big falling wedge kind of pattern that we've been seeing for a lot of cryptocurrencies, obviously. I guess you could probably say it's more like this, which probably makes more sense, or maybe something like this as well. But we'll probably say this one's probably the most likely, as we can see here, and obviously pretty much every single crypto has been getting a decent bounce off the bottom from what we've been seeing. Obviously, Polkadot in its specifically has been rolling over more and more and more. It's actually rolled over a lot more than most cryptos from what we can tell. Actually fell around 80% to the low here. But it does look as though with Bitcoin having a huge rally all the way up to around 40k at the time of recording this video, that we did actually find a nice support here on the previous swing high, didn't we? We were finding previous support here on the previous swing low and also here. But with the market trading sideways for 2 months, altcoins just started to get absolutely smashed down, didn't they? And we have been, getting forced down by EMAs here on our daily time frame for Polkadot. You can see quite clearly. Came down to the bottom of this channel, came up to retest the 20 twice. Obviously, we got the failure of the swing back to the upside here, so we got forced down again to the next level, tried again, forced down again to the next level, and then obviously now we are starting to break out of this resistance, aren't we? Been stuck under this resistance here quite clearly, essentially for the better part of 2 months now, ever since we had the big correction on the 19th of May. And you can see now, we are starting to break out of this resistance, aren't we? So things are looking pretty damn bullish in the market in general, and altcoins are starting to show signs of life, aren't they? You can see as we started to tap into this very oversold region on our RSI, along with the combination of hitting another previous key level of support here, we did actually get the bounce outside of this resistance that we have been stuck under, and we actually came out, back tested as support. We ran all the way up, and now we're back testing the 20 as support as well on the daily time frame, which is super bullish in our opinion. This means that it's very likely that we're probably going to see a nice bit of upside for Polkadot quite soon. But obviously, all kinds of price action at the minute are largely dependent on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has had 7 green days in a row right now, which is obviously a fairly ridiculous amount. We'll just take a quick look at Bitcoin so you can see the context of what's happening, because obviously basically whatever Bitcoin does, Polkadot's going to do as well. And you can see Bitcoin, I mean, it's really close to getting this bullish flip of the EMAs, isn't it? I mean, in the next few days it's probably going to get it if we keep going like this. It seems as though we're coming up against resistance here near the top of this range high at around this 40, in and around the 40k level, 41k level here. But you can see quite clearly, I mean, we've had a ridiculous run up over the past week or so. I mean, this is absolutely parabolic movement in my opinion, and we will see a correction most likely pretty soon. Maybe coming back down and, testing this flip of our EMAs here as support before another run up. And obviously, if we do get that for Bitcoin, because it does seem likely we will get a pullback in the short term, then we're probably going to see, Polkadot. Let me just grab the correct chart here. I think it's the Binance one. We'll probably see Polkadot, maybe having a pullback, testing previous support, and then, getting out of here, maybe an inverse head and shoulders pattern, something like this. Because, Polkadot's a top quality project, isn't it? And it's been absolutely destroyed recently. I mean, it's down at, what is this? $15 after it was at $52 just a few months ago. I mean, absolutely annihilated. And, you know, this is a project that's probably going to be $100, $200, maybe even $300 by the end of the bull run. So you can see, obviously, we don't have that much price history to go off right now. But it does look as though we have, you know, had a decent pullback here. I mean, if I just pull this fib out, for example, I mean, previous swing low to previous, you could say this is the range, basically, this previous swing low to this the swing high of the all-time high. And you can see we've almost come down and perfectly touched the 618 retracement level here, which is, you know, let me just change this to the conventional fib so everyone can see what I'm talking about. Templates, fib levels. So you can see we've actually come down and pretty much perfectly retraced to the 618, which is this golden retracement level here on our Fibonacci. And you can see, obviously, we've started to get the pickup off of that in confluence with this previous support in this area here. So pretty clear that, you know, we may be looking at another leg up now for Polkadot and the rest of the crypto market, because, you know, we're breaking out of resistances, aren't we? We've got oversold. We're breaking out of this resistance on our RSI as well, by the way. Broken out here, broken out here. Like, there's a lot of bullish reversal patterns happening in the market. And I mean, with Bitcoin pumping from 29K to 40K, things are looking pretty juicy, aren't they, to be honest? So obviously on this chart, there's not enough data for the 55 moving average yet, but we can assume that the 55 is probably looking something like this. And we've actually come down. We broke below it, but now we've actually got back above it, and we're back testing it as support, which is what is happening for most cryptos. And, you know, this is super bullish for continuation. So we'll take a quick look at the hourly chart here and see what we can see. It does look as though we are potentially, you know, coiling up for some kind of, you know, decent move to the upside. We have been saying that we are probably, you know, potentially forming somewhat of a some kind of triangle pattern over the past few days. You can see here potentially something like this is occurring, where, you know, I really hate this triangle thing. I can never get it to work. Where we're potentially forming something like this, right? Got a triangle, we're kind of, you know, coiling to the upside, making the same highs, but making the same higher highs, but the same, lower lows all the time like this. So we're kind of caught in this triangle formation. And this is actually a bullish continuation pattern. Basically means that the price action wants to keep going up, but it's just getting caught at that resistance. But, you know, obviously if we get that and we start breaking out these targets, which could be, you know, if we start seeing ourselves break out, do you anticipate we could be looking up to at least this $16 level, maybe even up to this $17.5 level as a decent resistance here if Bitcoin does start to break out. So short-term price prediction, we would be looking at this breakout potentially in the next few days, unless we get a decent pullback for Bitcoin. And then long-term, we would say 100, 200, you know, maybe even $300, because as you can see with Bitcoin, it's pretty clear that we are coiling here for potentially another leg up, if not a big pullback. So, I mean, we think that the pullback would be necessary considering how bullish we have been. But you have to look at this formation is essentially just an ascending triangle, isn't it? And it's probably going to break to the upside. So if that's the case, we'll be looking at the range high, kind of the 43K level as the next resistance. But I mean, if we break that, then we're going to be off to the races, aren't we? So also, I've just figured out something new here. You can actually flick through. You can flick through your charts here with your spacebar. I never realized you could do that. So, but yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm guessing these are charts that I've basically saved for presets. Oh god, this isn't Polkadot either. I need Polkadot Binance. Polkadot Binance. But yeah, that's basically our summary of what's going on, I think, guys. We do think Polkadot's going to do very, very well in the long term. This is BNB. Didn't I just... I'm sure I just typed in Polkadot. Anyway, whatever. You've heard what you need to hear. Now go off and do some good stuff. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You could quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.